Well, g'day folks, it's me again, Redneck Hillbilly. I have a little bit of a confession to make. In my last YouTube video, I said I wouldn't be doing any more, it's not any more videos with this camera for a while. But it's not a confession. It's an update. I said I'd ordered a new camera, but that hasn't come yet. So this morning I ordered another new camera. So I've ordered 2 new cameras, and that's just arrived. It's 7 o'clock, and it's just arrived. It's in this box here. Now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open the box and we'll just zoom in a little bit, if it'll let me. Yeah, that'll do. You'll be able to see what's going on there now, I'm pretty sure. And we'll see what's in the box. I bought the other day the one that's coming from Queensland. They say it'll be coming this week. Now, I thought it was coming from Queensland, but apparently they'd run out of stock, so they just had to come from China. But that's pretty quick coming from China. A box and another little box. But this time I bought a Sony. The other one's a generic one, the one that's coming from Queensland. There was good write-ups about it, and that's 4K. But this has got a bigger sensor in it, and it's got a clearer picture, and it's got the other's got electronic zoom, and this one's this one's got what's it zoom? God, I can't think of the name of it now. Anyway, we'll see what this is. Warranty card, warranty. Range of accessories. Well, I'm going to need some accessories for it to start with. That's foreign languages. Don't think I'm going to need that unless they have it in swearing. That's the manual. It was an optical zoom. It's just suddenly come to me. Now here's the goodies. Oh well, at least it's an Australian plug. That's for the charger. That is what you charge it with. This is HDMI cable for your TV to a mini. That goes to the camera, the mini jack. One battery. Now I don't know much about. I'm going to have to get a couple of spare batteries, I think, because I will be using this a fair bit. So we'll check that out. I'll probably, before I use it, I'm pretty sure I'll have to recharge it up. Now, the piece of resistance is oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Tell me that ain't no good. Wow. That's pretty damn good, isn't it? Microphones there. It's supposed to have better microphones. Now I've got loads of SLR cameras. I've got Sony, I've got Canon, I've got Nikon, I've got some of the top of the range stuff. But they are for taking photographs, and they do take video, but they only do it in 10 to 15 minute sessions and it cuts out. So they're not really ideal for doing the videos that I'm doing at the moment. These camcorders are exactly what's needed, because you can record all day on them, and you can record from the mains. Now, just so, see there's the shoe. I can have an external microphone, which I have to get an adapter for it. It doesn't come with an adapter. They want you to buy the Sony microphone. Well, I've got better microphones than that, so I want to use my own microphones. So what we'll do, we'll just fire it up and see how it goes. No, it looks like it's dead as a maggot. Sometimes they come with a bit of charge in them, but that's got no charge in it. So I don't know how long it will take to charge it up. Usually starts up when you open the screen. Look at that. You could take that anyway. You could even put that in your pocket. And it's very powerful. And wait till you see some of the pictures that this does. Anyway, you've seen what I'm doing. I've got to work out how to open that. There's a button somewhere, but I can't see it. But it is somewhere on here. Yeah, I'll have to read the instructions, I think. They're the ports for headphones and a microphone, external microphone. That's what I want. They say the microphone and the sound is pretty good in this, as is. So they're the other. That's for the mini SD card, and that's one that you use to use that to connect to your computer. But I'll be doing it to my phone because it's Wi-Fi. This here is the one that you charge the battery with. So we'll do that now, and I'll catch you when it's all put up, and we'll do some videography. Catch you soon. G'day everyone. I don't know what went wrong, but it stopped recording, so I'm having to do it all again. This is a continuation of my video on my other camera, of my unboxing this. So what I'm actually doing now is showing you the quality of the video, and just letting you know what I'll be doing in the future, how I'll be recording. So I'll be recording on my new camera. I've got two new cameras. One's not here yet, it's coming this week sometime, and today's Wednesday, so they said it's going to be here either Thursday or Friday. So I'm just waiting for that one coming, and I'll be able to use these in conjunction with one another. And like I said before, I can have one camera pointing that way and another one pointing that way on the same frame, you know, on the same frames when I'm recording, on the same part of the recording. So it's trial and error. I'm not an expert. I'm nowhere near an expert, but it's an experience. It gives me something to do, and I enjoy doing it. And the actual camera is a learning curve for me, but it's taken me a while to figure it out. But I can't do the other two files that they use for filmmaking, and because I can't transfer them for two files to my phone, where the MP4 file I can transfer, and my photographs I can also transfer to the phone. So I didn't want to do that. That's what I wanted to do. Anyway, I can control this by my phone, but I'd just try doing it with the camera first. And if I want to do the other two files and put them on YouTube, I'm going to have to edit them on my computer because they're too big. They give this excellent quality. I did do a video in the highest quality recording mode, and it's absolutely stunning. So I've got to learn how to do that, because I've not done much editing on my computer, but I have got a really good editor on there. So if I can transfer these to the computer, then transfer them from the computer to the phone, I can put them on the internet, on YouTube and Facebook probably. So in the meantime, it might seem a little bit extravagant to you guys, me getting another two cameras, because I've got loads of cameras. I've got some great SLR cameras. I've got Sony, I've got Canon, I've got two Canon cameras, and I've got Nikon, and they're top of the range stuff. And but they're not made to do video, but they do video, but they're not made for video. They're made for photographs. Whereas these camcorders, or handycams as they call them, they are made for video, and they don't get hot and you can record as long as you like, as long as your battery lasts. And they're not the best with photographs. they do 9.2 megapixels, whereas other cameras, they can do up to 64 megapixels for their photographs. You know, even your phone, my phone's over 12 or something, or 18 or something like that. So that's why you get such good pictures on your phone. But I won't be using it for pictures. If I want to take a photograph, I'll either use my phone or I'll use one of my other cameras, which is my other Sony. The Sony app is hard to use to get your head around it. There's so many sequences you've got to do to set it up to transfer. I think I've mastered it, and we'll see. I'm going to do this and then I'll put it on the internet. So all I can say is keep your eyes open, keep your ears open. I'll be back doing some cooking programs, but before I do any more cooking programs, what I really want to do is I want to show you around where I live. But it's pouring down with rain today and I won't be going out. But maybe tomorrow, if it's fine, I'm going shopping. I'll take you around and show you where I live and where I shop, and I'll have my wife with me. I'll be pushing her around in a chair. So we'll go and sit and have a cup of coffee somewhere, and we'll give you some a bit of a vlog with that, hopefully. And in the meantime, if you enjoy the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you feel very benevolent toward me, consider subscribing to my channel. Yes, it's free. And please leave some comments. Nobody leaves many comments. Don't be shy. I'm shy. Yeah, right. Anyway, feel free to share my videos. I've got about 80 videos up there. Some music videos that when I play in a band, and I've done some cabaret shows and things like that, if you want to see them. I've done some cooking videos, and now I'm going to look at showing you around where I live. I won't be doing much of that, but we'll show you a bit of the shopping day and that sort of thing, you know. So in the meantime, I'll sign off from here now, and I will catch you in my next video. So ta-ra for now. I better look in the camera, not on the screen. Bye bye.